Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today I wanna discuss with you a strategy that is making me consistent income, right? And we are gonna see how I made all this money and what is the strategy and what are the key things that you should be aware of when executing this, right? So that's all we are gonna discuss in this video, so stick around, and with that let's start. Okay, so before the strategy, right, let's see the returns, right? So if you look at this, right, you can see I did collected $370 on 11/22. I bought it back. I then again sold it, and I again collected $315. I did a quick scalp here, and then I again bought it back, right? So all in all, if you combine all these, I made more than $600 in just 2 weeks time frame, right? So the strategy here is, you may have already guessed, if you are an options trader, this is a cash secured put, which is a pretty easy strategy to make consistent income in the market, right? And the way this works is, as you can see, right, when you sell put, so I sold a put $140 of expiration 11/22, and for that I collected $370, right? So that's the amount that you collect here, right? And there are some reasons I did in Roth IRA, which I'm going to discuss in the key things that you need to keep in mind. So that's for later. So let's first discuss this strategy, right? So I'm the same thing, I did it again here, exact same thing. I again collected, right? And then again I bought it back, right? So here, right, so I bought it back. So why I bought it back is, I don't the NVIDIA is kind of volatile stock, and the momentum is with NVIDIA, but to make use of that volatility, right, that you see in the market, it's best to kind of, if you are up 70-80%, it's best to close it, right? Because these are volatile stock, premiums are high, but you need to keep few things in mind when doing this. Okay, so the first strategy, right, very quickly I'm gonna explain how to execute this. There are detailed videos in my channel, for which I will put the link down in the description. On this, I'm just gonna go very quick and show you how you can execute this, right? So let's say NVIDIA today is at 145, right? And you click trade options, you go select sell put, you go, let's say 2 weeks out, right? And the strike price, right, I'll come to that. Few things that you should keep in mind when selecting the strike price. So let's say I do 140, right? That's, I think that's a safe strike price. And look at this, right? So you collect $180, just you wait for 2 weeks, and NVIDIA, as per the momentum, if it closes above 140, you're going to keep all this premium with you, right? That's easy it is on the cash secure put. There are some risks, for which I am not gonna go too detail in this video. I already have those videos. You can go and watch this complete strategy. I wanted to make this video specifically on few things that you should be aware of whenever you're doing cash secured put. So the first thing, right, you have to, if you want good premium, you have to go with a stock which has the momentum, right now NVIDIA has that momentum, and everything is going good with NVIDIA, be it the AI boom, be it our new president, or the surge in crypto market, right? Everything is going with NVIDIA, and this has the momentum. So it's very important that you select a stock which has the momentum. Next thing that you should be aware of is the strike price selection, right? That is very crucial. And so for that, a simple rule, right? So this is a Robinhood Legend, by the way, and if you guys still don't have Robinhood Legend, I'm sure, I think you would already have it, but if you're not, you are gonna get that email with the Robinhood Legend. This is their new platform. I have a few videos that I made on how to set this up for options, or in general for identifying the indicators and all, right? So everything is free. It comes with your Robinhood. If you have Robinhood account, you do have a Robinhood Legend as well, right? So on this, let's say if you go and quickly you can check, right, this for the strike price, let's say this NVIDIA, right, and they have all the indicators here. The one indicator that's very good in general for the this kind of option strategies is the Bollinger Band, right, and you need to select, you can do 3 months out, and the interval you can select as a day, right. So that's what it gives, right. So what you're gonna see here is, right, it's a 1 day and 3 months, and if you look at, right, it's right hovering the middle range, right, that is the simple moving average, and these two lines indicate the two standard deviation up and two standard deviation down, right, and standard deviation is a measure of volatility, right. So that's indicates how volatile the stock is. And in terms of NVIDIA, as you can see, right, even though it's a volatile stock, it is going kind of within a range, and what you see here, right, it's hovering right around this 140, right. So that's a even number. Psychologically also, a lot of people will put their trade around these even kind of numbers, right. So 140, 135, those are kind of even numbers. There is no science or technicalities behind that. It's just the psychology of the human that goes with that. However, if you that's why you look at most of the technical indicators, right, you would find support and resistance, especially in terms of like a little bit longer time frame. You would find that support and resistance are aligning with this kind of even numbers, right. So if you look at here, right, this, if you see here, if you, let's say, if you do a trend line right here, so you will see that this right around here, that's the kind of a good support line, you can say, right. And after that, this line, right, so here if you do again one trend line, that's the line that you will see, that again 130, right. So this is like a good support line, because it's a long term support line here. On a short term time frame, as you can see, it's hovering around this, right. So 140, as you can see, is a good strike price as of now with the momentum that's with NVIDIA, right. So this is a quick way. Again, I have few videos that details out this setup, and if you want to know more about it, if you have any questions, do put your questions, or any specific doubt that you want me to make a video about, do put the comments as well, right. I'll make those detailed videos in technical indicators itself. So that was one point. And the last one, right, so I showed you I'm doing this in my Roth IRA account, and the reason is because it's a cash account, and there's very high chance, because it's a volatile stock, it's a high chance that you may get assigned, or the stocks could get called away, right. All those things could happen in a very rapid succession, and that kind of triggers a tax event, right. So you may be paying a lot of taxes if you do this in a regular brokerage account. I do that there also, but with a few tweaks, which I'll cover in my next videos. And by the way, guys, if you wanna know a lot about options, do subscribe to this channel. I see a lot of people view the videos, but they do not subscribe, so do subscribe, guys. There's a lot of videos that are going to come in this in options trading. So if you are just starting, or if you are a mid options trader, definitely you're gonna benefit. Okay, coming back to this, right, so this Roth IRA gives you that advantage of taxation, right. You are not going to be taxed on your profit in this account. So whatever profit you make, right, whether you make $500, $1,000, nothing is gonna be taxed in this account. So that's a major advantage of this. So if you believe that our stock is volatile, it's gonna be called away or getting assigned, then do use Roth IRA for that. Okay, guys, so that was it for this video. I'm gonna talk to you in my next video. Happy investing. Bye bye.